Hello friends, how are you doing? We are going to continue with Famousity Mobile today in Godot in C# language. And yesterday we have finished login and registration, and today we are going to focus on the audio and adding some music and sounds to the game, as this was highly requested by my son who plays the game on the mobile, who helps me to test it. Yep, so let's switch to... Hello, camera's fixed, as you can see, and we can get to work. So let's start with what? Yeah. Oh, basically, I wanted to say something I just forgot at the moment, as I was talking about my about the idea with my son. And I will maybe think about it later. So basically, what I have here is a bunch of the sounds made in OGG format for music, and for the simple effects I have wave audio format, which is not uncompressed format. The difference between those two, yeah, the OGG is compressed format. It takes less place, but it takes more CPU when processing. And other thing with the wave is that it should load like instantly, so it shouldn't be any synchronization problem when you play it. Yeah, when you have a look at the import here, you can have some additional information, or you can switch to some additional switch on/off and some additional properties of the file. For wave files, for OGG you don't have too much or so many properties here. So yeah, that's the main difference here. I haven't done it before in the Godot, so this will be a little bit new for me, but from what I've read, it should be pretty simple. And I will probably start with my favorite thing, and that's adding a manager here, and we will call it audio manager. So this will be our entry point for playing all the sound effects and musics. Okay, and let's give it a node parent. Okay, and shouldn't forget about this one. Just a sec. I forgot my chatty thing here, and I heard some notification, so I have to check. I believe there was some follow, thank you for that. I will have to check later. I'm sorry, Yeah, so Diamond Bro, welcome. Thank you for a follow, I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go to okay, yeah, I want to add the audio manager to my outloaded classes, so that means they will be loaded during the start of the scene. And let's go here, no, actually, let's go to scripts. Audio manager, yeah, add. Okay, and let's go to game manager, where we will create, as usual, our reference for the audio manager, so we can reference it from whenever we want to. Okay. Okay, I guess what we actually need to create for the audio to be able to play is we have to create audio stream player. Yeah, this one. There are 2 or 3 different types of those. So 2D is basically made for 2D scene when you want to like have the sound positional from left to the right. 3D is for the 3D scene where you want to have it in a space. We just want to have it with like not positionally, so we can use this one. I'm going to create it for in a scene in a tree here right now, but I'm going to actually create it from code. I just want to show you or show myself as well what are the properties of the stream manager and how to set up the sounds here and how to play the sounds actually. So maybe we can try to go to our sounds and play main theme music. Yeah, so as you can see, as you can hear, I'm playing the main theme of the game right now, and that's just because I've added the stream here and I said that it should be playing. So you have different things like buses here, which you should be able to set it somehow. Yeah, this is here. So you can have multiple buses here, which you can add by adding bus, and then you can switch to new bus here. So maybe we can do like we will have multiple buses here for music and one for effects. And let's try it now. It still plays. Oh, actually I didn't switch it. So music. Okay, and I should be able to set up the main volume of this. Yeah. Okay. So this will be for music. Maybe we can try it in-game one. Okay, so volume is fine for that. And actually, what else do we need? Can have a stream post, autoplay. Yep, okay. And effects will be different one, which we'll use for. Yep, and as I was trying to say, or if wanted to say, is that you can also add effects for your to your audio. So you have different kind of effects here. What we can try, like reverb maybe. Yeah, and there is a. So let's actually stop this one for a while, and let's focus on the main theme again. Or actually, we can use this one. Yeah. So as you can see, I added the reverb here, and it's basically added some spacing to the music. And if you know what you are doing, you can create some nice reverb effect here. Yep. Okay, delete effect, we don't use it. Okay, but actually I didn't want to create this audio stream player here. I want to do it in the audio manager, so let's see how we can do it from the code. Let's go to ready. And first we will have audio stream player, and we will have 2 players here. One will be for effects and one will be for music, because music will be playing basically all the game. Music audio stream player, and sounds audio stream player. So we just no, excuse me. We actually want to just create a music audio stream player here and add it to our audio manager. So add child music player. Same for the sounds. And that's it for the initialization. And then we will have our methods which we will use for playing the different music and sound effects. Actually, this is not everything. We need to actually say the status set the bus, and I'm not sure if this is just the name of the bus. It's just the music, I guess. Okay, we can try it. And same for the sounds manager, sound audio player. So bus, and this will be effects. I mean, we can call it sounds, I believe. Okay. So, for example, we will have, like, start this. Play menu music, or maybe, actually, yeah, menu music, public void, play in-game music. So menu music will play the stream, which we need to load from resource loader. Audio stream, and let's go to res, and it should be double slash, right? Double slash, and then assets, sounds, music, main team, OGG. I actually will create a I actually want to initialize it so we can reuse it. I'm not sure if actually this it shouldn't be a problem with this one actually, because you basically it's not like it has to be played instantly. So music, audio stream player, autoplay when edited synth no, and playing should be true. Music, audio stream player, and I also want to check if there is oh, this play here. Play. Okay, so we can use this from here. Play from position 0, and actually one more thing I wanted to say here. And that's actually maybe nothing. Oh, nice. Can use this. Okay, so that should be it. And the same will be done for the in-game music. Music in-game. And we will have also like play game 1. That's another one. And also claim game lost. So this should be called game 1 and game lost. So all those will be played on music audio stream player. Game lost. Cool. Okay, we can try it, and we have to go to game manager. Actually, the Okay, well, who would be the best one to use it? Because we have a main menu and we have a show main menu, so we can call it from here. So play menu music, and also we want to game manager, oops, and when the game is connected, so it's on the initialize game menu height. Okay, so we are hiding menu here. Start game. Actually, I'm not sure if this is the I guess here. Okay, so audio manager and play in-game music. Also, when we have our results ready, so that's finish game, show game results. Games can load it, and here we have to decide if the player board has won or not. So we will have this here, winner. If winner, then audio, game manager, audio player, play, game won, else, game lost. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so every time we have the this we need to change because we don't know to play it every time we have the menu visible. So maybe we want to check it in here, or maybe in the audio manager. Oh yeah, I actually know what I wanted to do. This looping here, but the looping is done probably in the import thingy. So let's go here. Let's go to import and loop it's on. Okay, so this is on for all of those music thingies, but we don't want to have it on for our effects here, so we can switch it off. And it's off for the wave audio format, so that's fine. Okay, actually I changed the values, but I didn't re-import it, so we need to do this. Perfect. Okay, so now it should be looping. It was before, but what I wanted to do here is to move this to here and check if the music stream player and stream equals main stream. You can just return, we don't have to do anything here. It shouldn't happen in those two cases, so I'm not checking it intentionally. Wait, I forgot to remove the cleaning of the... Actually, we can leave it here. So I have to... Okay, never mind. Okay, so this is basically from the yesterdays. So we can log in or create an account. Okay. Perfect. I guess we will have only this music for now, from now on. Okay, let's focus. So next thing we need to do is to play some sound effects. And for sound effects we have play deal card, for example. So this is played whenever the card is dealt on the table or to the player. And we need to sound manager stream, and actually I will create a bunch of these audio streams here. It might be a list. The alt streams. So we have multiple variations of this effect, and I will want to use randomly one of those. So, but first of all, we want to initialize them. So cardinal streams init, or maybe load card deal streams. We have up to 8, and we will start with 1. So streams, add resource loader, we can copy the path here from this one, and let's go to here. So card deal. So this is wave format, string interpolation, and E. Load. Okay, so this will load all our streams into the list, and this we can use this list to play the cardinal audio effect. So the only thing I'm worried here is that we actually may have a use case that the sound should be still playing, but it's cancelled by the another one. So we need to check how this will sound. I'm not sure how I dealt it in the Unity. I think there wasn't such a problem there. I could just play it and it would play till the end, I believe, but I might be wrong. So play deal card, yep. So let's go to card deal streams and let's find one of those. And I want to use random number generator. Max value should be card deal streams length, and I'm not sure if this is inclusive. It should be exclusive. Usually it is, but I just want to check it. The exclusive, yeah. So this is fine. Okay, and that's one more thing is to plate. Okay. So let's play it when the card is dealt to the player. I have a feeling it's a little bit desynced. Maybe not. Okay, so basically card placed. Okay, want to add another one which is card placed. So we have multiple. So the only problem here was the initial dealing of the cards, but that's caused because until the cards are basically dealt, then basically initialized, so whole the environment is basically initialized, and then it's how can we make it better? I would need to change it in the network manager, I guess. Okay, let's go here. I just want to check it really quickly if I can do something with this. So basically, if I go to process run action, okay, receive run action. So this is after the game received data. Process game data, and we will initialize the game. So everything is initialized here, and the problem is that maybe for cleanup card manager here we have to create multiple instances of the card node here. So this could be basically done in the thread, I think. Okay, what if we just put here async? It should create a new thread, and it should basically happen in new one. Am I using this for... No, that's fine. Okay, I want to make sure that that everything here is thread safe. Maybe this is not thread safe. Okay, you know what I will do? property will be erect scale from your turn label. Erect scale to final value will be to vector to 1. Duration 0.5. Zero, and we will hide it in maybe a little bit slower, and delay, so it should be visible for maybe 3 seconds. Should be enough. Twin start. We don't need this. Okay, that should be enough. So let's go to try it. That's a very interesting one. That's a very interesting one, and it might be caused by what? Set pending exception. Exception from managed code, but it could not be set as pending. Okay, so maybe that's the issue with cool. Are we okay? Is this really so? Okay, so it crashed my whole Godot engine. No, actually only the. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, it's there. Okay, I will make it. I just can't believe it's this one. It just can't be. Okay, let's just turn it off. But it is the only thing we have added, so I'm really not sure. So it is related to this. Interesting. So what do we have here which shouldn't be here? I think I know, like, do I? So basically this twin is child of the your turn label. Okay, let's try something here. I want to create a twin which will be get scene 3. Let's try to put a twin here, and let's use it 0, 1, I don't think I have anything. I don't think anything bad here. Okay. No, it actually didn't work. So it has to be inside of this. Oh, we do have we do have actually a problem here, and I believe this is we have a null pointer actually here. So maybe I don't have this initialized properly. Oh, sure I don't. It should be in the text elements. Oh man. Yeah, I was thinking about it could be a problem at the beginning, but I didn't see an error regarding a null. So I thought there is something else problematic, but okay. I will know now. So let's try it again. Actually, we want to make it a little bit bigger, and show your turn. And this should be faster, and this should be faster too. And 3 seconds is too much, I guess. So yeah, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So maybe 70, 75. Okay. Okay, so I'm thinking what's next actually, and so I have made some changes to the backend as well for registration and login. So I will need to put a new backend, new server for it to be working on my mobile phone, so for testing. So that's the next step, but I will do it off stream. And yeah, so okay, let's actually summarize what we've done today. So we have added the sound effects and music to the game. Let's turn this off. Using the audio stream player. And we basically have to test all of them, like exchange and stuff like that. Actually, we can change, we can test this still. And yeah, we have added the music, we have added the sound effects for cards, for actions, for game result screen, for your turn. And let's try this. Okay. And and next step would be to actually, so for now we can only play against the bots. And the next step would be to create a proper game lobby, where which you could use to play with your friends. And for that I will need to use or add some additional stuff to backend, because there is no support for that, as the desktop version has been using the Steam lobby manager and all the Steam stuff related to the lobbies. So this will be need to done by me, and that's going to be done tomorrow probably. I will do it off stream because I have day off tomorrow on Wednesdays, so I will continue on Thursday and we will implement the lobby and creating a lobby, and we will try to connect multiple clients to the same game and see how it goes. So yeah, that's all from today. For today, I hope you learned something. You could learn something from my learning, as I learned something from my implementation. And yeah, that was a stupid sentence to say. Never mind. But yeah, okay. So as I said, I'm going to be back on Thursday, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay healthy. Bye bye, guys.